This aviary has several peacocks, black swans, ring-necked parakeets and different kinds of birds. Around the children's park, many kinds of Chinese pheasants, lovebirds, budgerigas are also there. Fruits, eggs, mosambi, millets, greens, garlic, grams, cut greens, bread. Dried shrimp for cranes. Birds love sunflower seeds. Millets, pulses and wheat. The birds here are taken good care. They are given appropriate food. The balanced food of the birds here consists of fruits, sprouts, cereals, millets, seeds of soya, sunflower, peanuts and plenty of greens. In addition to other food, peacocks are given milk and bread. Rose-ringed parakeets are given green chillies. Eggs and sweet lime are given to lovebirds here. The black swans are given bread, eggs and a rice preparation called Pongal. Birds are given garlic for immunity. All the birds here are healthy, active and they live in harmony with each other. Spending time amidst birds is a visual treat. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.